The locations that have our free shams are going to be all of our express exterior washes. Currently we have 2 flex service washes, one in Longmont on Ken Pratt and one in Greeley off of 28th Street. We don't have the free shams at those locations because we offer services there where we can wipe down your vehicle. But all the other locations that are express exterior, meaning just the car wash tunnel and then free vacuums, we have free shams. They're on the side of the buildings and they're labeled free shams above the box that they're in. If all the vehicles were the exact same size, it would be perfect because we can have the machinery dialed in for that one vehicle. But we have to wash smart cars all the way up to F350s. So there's a few restrictions on some areas of a lot of vehicles that free shams are good for. Typically around the license plate or behind the visor on the back of a vehicle. It's kind of hard for the foam brushes to get in those areas. So that's a good spot for the free shams. While your vehicle's still wet, when you pull in the parking lot and you're vacuuming, just grab those free shams and touch up those areas. Sometimes too with bug guts. Bug guts are incredibly hard to remove, especially if they're dried up on your vehicle and they've been on your vehicle for a while. An express exterior car wash has some limitations in that area, but you can use the free shams afterwards if you need to touch up those particular areas. So that's why we offer the additional value of free shams at our locations.